JDCap 26 here, just do tips and repairs and hobbies. And we've got the Seyvum 12 Max brushless power drill, PDBL11. Okay. It's got a website on the side here. Let's open it up. Okay. Oh, it's got a case. That's cool. Always need a case for a drill. And a zipper. There it is over here. Open it up. Oh, pretty good size. There's the case. Yeah, definitely going to use that. I'm glad it came with a case. So let's put that over there. It's got registration now code right here. Just scan that and bring you to the website to register it. Look on the tool for the serial number. And it comes with all these tools. Extension, bit set. There's the bit set extension. And some drills. Cool. Gotta love those drills. Okay, so that's that. And here's the recharger. Good charger. It's a 100V 240 volt 50/60 hertz, and it's a 110 charger. That's cool. And this is the battery, I suppose. Okay. Let's look at the tool itself. Here's the tool. Got this slip wrench clutch here, right here. Forward and reverse. And that's the trigger right there. Let's move this box out of the way. And let's see if it came charged. Hopefully it came charged. Let's see. There we go. Oh, it did come charged. There's a light. Let's put the clutch up. There's the indicator for the battery charge. Right there. It's fully charged. 3 green lights. Got a light that stays on. Let's push this up to there. It's got fast and slow clutch. And right now it's in reverse. Pretty powerful, let me tell you. Put it back to 1. I'm looking for where you plug the charger into the battery. You know, this thing right here. And I don't see it. It's not on the bottom. Not on the side. Pull the battery out again. There it is right there. Inside the battery is where you hook your charger into. So it goes right in there like that to charge it up. Probably for about an hour, I'd say, one of these batteries. And, you know, set your timer on your phone for an hour, charge it up. And then let's see, we'll put this back in there like that. And I'm going to put this charger right in the bag. And you're going to need these. The drills we don't need. Drills are good. You got a good variety of drills there. We don't need this knife. Back to the side. We're just going to grab a screw here. Let me get my screws down here. One side of these is screws, and one side of these are parts. Let's see. Just a little screw like that. See if we have a Norton bit. Put that down. Let's see. We have Torx, and we have our other screws. So you want to hold the collar here. Close it up. See what we're doing here? Closing the teeth up, having it go clockwise, counterclockwise to open it. Okay. Then we want to put the bit in there. And what I do is hold the collar and go like this. Okay. Comes fully charged. Great. So well, I was going to do a Norton. Okay, but I don't have the bit for it. Okay, it's not in this set. It's got the Torx, but it doesn't have the Norton. I may have it in another kit. I'll look for it. Let's see how this drives a screw in. Pretty good. Drives in really well. Okay, we just pushed from forward to reverse and pull it out. Pulls out pretty good. Let me see if I have the Norton bit in my tricks. Yeah, let's see. Where's that screw? Right here. I may have it. Yeah, I do. I have that Norton bit. So I'll push it like that. Push it like this. Pull the bit out. And push it back. So, like this. Left to right. Right to left is forward, okay? And left to right is reverse. So we're gonna put this bit in here. Okay. And we've got this screw here. I don't want to go too far. I don't want to go into my desk. Drove it in pretty nice. It's on setting 19. Go up to that. Pretty powerful tool. Pull it out. I like it. Seyvum drill. Kind of looks like a Milwaukee, huh? I'm sure it's not. Could be made by the same company, you never know. It's got a light. So that's my tool review of this drill you can get on Amazon. I'll put the link below of where to get this tool. And I hope you liked this video. If you have any questions about the tool, let me know. I'll try to answer them as best I can. And thanks for watching. Have a great day. I wanted to add to this video a little bit. When you put the tool away, good idea, pull the battery out. When you store the tool, put the tool in the bag and the battery inside there, like that. And just zip it up. good idea just to pull the battery out of the tool. Now I'm done. Okay, guys. See you next time. Bye for now.